Good morning, y'all. Happy Vlogmas day 3. Well, it's not morning anymore, it's afternoon. But I've just had a lazy morning and it has been wonderful. I slept in, which is one of my favorite things to do, and then I just laid around watching or catching up on Instagram and Facebook, which is usually what I do every morning, and it's been so nice. I love not having anywhere to go or anything to do because I travel for work, so sometimes it's nice to just not go anywhere, hence why I look like this. But get used to it, because if I don't have anywhere to go, not filming a makeup tutorial, this is what I look like. It's just nice not to wear any makeup sometimes and just let my skin breathe and not have to worry about getting makeup on pillows and covers. It's just nice. So today I'm gonna be cleaning. I'm gonna turn on some Netflix. If you watched Vlogmas last year, do not judge me. I'm watching the same exact thing as I did last year, but I haven't been watching it all year. I just started a few weeks ago, but it is The Vampire Diaries. It is my all-time favorite show. I think I've lost track of how many times I've rewatched it, but I know that some of y'all out there rewatch shows too. It may not be The Vampire Diaries, but I know y'all have a show like my Vampire Diaries. Comment down below what show you could watch over and over, because I love seeing everybody's favorite TV show. So I'm going to turn on Netflix, get to cleaning. I'm going to start in the living room and kitchen. It's like an open floor plan, so the kitchen and living room are together. So I'm going to try and get that cleaned because I've been slacking on cleaning the house and it's driving me nuts. Plus, I'm hoping we can put the tree up today, so I need to get the living room clean because there are a ton of boxes in the little corner where we put the tree, because I've been ordering stuff, my husband's been ordering stuff. I think I told y'all yesterday he duck hunts, so it opened this past Friday. So he has been ordering a bunch of stuff to prepare for duck season. And we both have shopping problems, so there's that too. I got a couple packages today from my Black Friday order, but I think I'm gonna wait until I get everything in and then maybe just show y'all all together in a video, because I only have one thing coming up this week, so I gotta save some stuff so it's not boring, this Vlogmas too. But yeah, before I ramble on some more, let's get to cleaning. So I decided to catch up on Alex and Michael vlogs while I clean instead of watching The Vampire Diaries. I have plenty of time to watch that, and honestly, I'll probably watch it later when I sit down to relax. But anyways, let's get cleaning. Okay, so we got the tree up. I just finished fluffing it. I probably need to fluff it a little bit more. Am I the only one who hates fluffing trees? I don't know. I guess I get impatient and want it to just fluff itself. So probably need to work on that a little bit more tomorrow. But I'm about to take my shower and go to bed because it is 12:30 at night. So I'm probably gonna try and clean some more tomorrow. I'll probably go ahead and start decorating the tree. I really need to learn a new dance for my dance fitness class because I haven't had it in 3-4 weeks. And yeah, probably just gonna clean, decorate the tree, learn a dance, go to class, and probably clean some more. I think I already said that. And then work on editing some videos because I have a new makeup tutorial that I want to go up. It will be tomorrow. No, today. No, tomorrow for y'all, Wednesday. And because Wednesday I'm going to Knoxville for my blogger Christmas dinner that I'm so excited about, so I probably won't have a whole lot of time on Wednesday because Knoxville is an hour and a half for me and it is right at rush hour, so I need to go up earlier. Anyways, before I ramble on anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow.